My name is Paul, and today I'm installing the RalliTEK skid plate in this 2007 Subaru Impreza. Before we start, let's visit RalliTEK.com. They make off-road parts for a lot of different cars. Today I'm working on a 2007 Subaru Impreza 2.5i. It looks like they have a lot of stuff for this car. Let's scroll down a bit and click on off-road skid plates. Here they have some bolt kits and the laser cut aluminum skid plate. This thing's expensive, $289 plus about $60 in shipping. It's made of 1/8 inch thick aluminum. It's not just for looks. You can actually bounce your car off some rocks. I'll start by removing the clips from the plastic mudguard. Pull the center of the pin out with a small flathead screwdriver, then pull the outside part out with a small pry bar. This plastic pry bar is great for interior panels too because it won't scratch them. The mudguard also has 3 bolts holding it in place. Use a 12mm socket to get them out. The new skid plate is much bigger and will protect the whole engine from rocks. We also need to take out 2 bolts from this little bracket back here. The skid plate comes with 3 short bolts and 2 long bolts. Notice you get short and long spacers too. I recommend adding Loctite to the threads so the bolts don't come loose later. Place a crate or a box under the car to hold the skid plate. Use the 3 longer bolts and spacers in front. They will go into the oval-shaped slots. Start all the bolts by hand. You don't need to tighten them yet. Use the 2 longer bolts with long spacers in the back. I'm going to turn the bolts down most of the way, but I'm not tightening them yet. I can still move the skid plate side to side. Tighten the front bolts most of the way. Now I can make sure the skid plate is lined up where I want it. I'm getting these bolts as tight as I can with my small 1/4 inch drive ratchet. It looks like this car needs a little help with the front bumper. I'll just add a bolt right here. Finally, just tighten the bolts in the back. This skid plate has mounting holes in the back corners, but the subframe in this car doesn't have threaded holes here. If you're actually going rally racing, I recommend welding some nuts to the subframe and adding bolts here. The exhaust is also touching the skid plate. This car is old, so it probably just needs a new rubber exhaust hanger. This skid plate has some big holes. Check out this one for the oil filter. That's very nice. That's it. Installing the RalliTEK skid plate on this car is very easy, and you can still change your oil without removing the skid plate. Follow the link in the video description to get a skid plate for your car.